emerald tapestry of the São Paulo rainforest climbed the gentle slope, reaching a crest that unveiled a breathtaking vista. Here, on a hill cradled by the whispering palms and bathed in the golden glow of the setting sun, a singular challenge awaited: to build a home that would become an integral part of this unspoiled paradise. The solution was a masterpiece of modern ingenuity. Not a single foundation stone marred the virgin earth. Instead, a suspended structure of prefabricated laminated timber, strong and light like a skeletal bird, took flight. 6 pillars, slender yet resolute, served as its anchor, rooted in the ground with the firm grip of the concrete platform that cradled the pool below. It was a symbiotic existence, the house drawing strength from the pool and the pool reflecting the ethereal grace of the dwelling above. The ground floor, sheltered by the main volume, was a symphony of functionality. Vehicles found refuge under the expansive platform, while a discreet storage room and a service bathroom kept the essentials close at hand. Even the technical area, often relegated to the shadows, found its place here, ensuring the smooth operation of this architectural marvel. But the true magic unfolded on the upper level. A vast platform, like a suspended stage, served as the heart of the house. 8 rectangular modules, each a testament to precise engineering, formed the foundation. Here, the raw beauty of nature found its counterpoint in the clean lines of modern design. Stepping out from this platform, the pool offered a refreshing embrace, while the solarium extension, crafted from cool, solid concrete, beckoned with the promise of sun-drenched afternoons. And then there was the balcony, a grand linear promenade stretching across the entire living space, inviting one to step outside and become one with the breathtaking panorama. Inside, the house unfolded like a sprawling, open square. The 4 modules at the heart dissolved into one continuous space, a haven of togetherness. The living room, with its inviting warmth, seamlessly flowed into the television room, creating a haven for shared laughter and movie nights. And the kitchen, far from being a separate entity, became an extension of this communal core, a place where the aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingled with the stories of the day. The remaining 4 modules offered a haven of privacy, each evolving into a comfortable bedroom facing the lush front garden and the gentle hum of the street beyond. Yet, even here, the spirit of open living found expression. Each bedroom sported a protective screen, ensuring a sense of seclusion. But the true stroke of brilliance lay in the division of these spaces. A majestic suspended wooden structure, a double-sided shelf of elegant simplicity, served both the bedrooms and the living room. It offered storage on one side and a sleek separation on the other, ensuring both privacy and the continuity of the open floor plan. The final touch came in the form of a protective shell, a testament to both form and function. Thermoacoustic metal cladding embraced the house, shielding it from the elements while allowing for whisper-quiet comfort. And above, a translucent roof, crafted from alveolar polycarbonate, flooded the interior with natural light, blurring the lines between the living space and the verdant canopy above. It was a home that wore its technology lightly, a celebration of innovation that existed in perfect harmony with its breathtaking natural surroundings. In this haven on the hill, nature and modern design met in a dazzling dance, creating a sanctuary where the symphony of the forest played a constant song of serenity and beauty. Alright folks, that's it for this tour of this incredible suspended dream home. I hope it gave you some inspiration for your own future projects, or maybe just a serious case of beach envy. If you loved the unique design or the clever use of space, be sure to leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. While you're there, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future architecture adventures. For more information on this specific house, I've included a link in the description box below. You'll also find some other amazing suspended home designs there, because who wouldn't want to live amongst the treetops? Thanks again for joining me, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of architecture.